If you're looking for a warm, healthy, nutritious bowl of soup, here's a recipe for you. Today's recipe is broccoli clear soup. The reason why I'm using broccoli for this soup is for its health benefits and nutritional value. The stock that I'm using is equally nutritious and contains calcium and other minerals and improves immunity. So let's begin with this recipe. I've taken 3 cups of water over here, and now into this I'm going to add in a few ingredients to make the stock. Into this I'm going to add in the broccoli stalk, 1 onion chopped, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato chopped, 1 stick of cinnamon, just 1 clove, 1 bay leaf, a big pinch of salt. Bring all these ingredients to a boil. You need to boil the stock for at least a good 8 to 10 minutes. The vegetables that you add in the water determines the flavor of the clear soup. And now I'm going to saute a few more vegetables to make this soup. So in a pan, heat a tablespoon of butter. Let's add in 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon celery finely chopped. Saute all these ingredients till they are nice and soft. Let's add in a cup of broccoli florets, half a yellow zucchini, 1 carrot chopped. Just stir in a few spinach leaves. Make sure you wash them properly. Cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables have been cooking for the last 3 minutes and the stock is ready too. Let's turn off the flame and strain it and add it into this. Strain it with a fine sieve. We're just going to use the water. And now bring this soup to a boil for around 2 minutes. Let's season this soup with a few herbs and spices. Half a teaspoon of oregano. A big pinch of chilli flakes. Pepper to taste. Little more salt. Tear in a few basil leaves. Give this a good mix and bring it to a boil. This soup is ready. Turn off the flame and let's pour it in a bowl. With very minimal flavors, this bowl of hearty soup is going to open up all your senses. So do give it a try. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.